Premium quality 4-inch, 10.4 cm diameter, 175 grams, food-grade plastic and high-strength stainless steel, BPA-free, 6 fin blades for quick processing. Apply to fits NutriBullet 600w and NutriBullet Pro 900 high-speed blender mixer system. Not fits NutriBullet Lean, RX, Magic Bullet or Ninja blenders. Perfect seal. Rubber gasket pre-installed in base for complete seal with cup are safe and durable, providing a good seal and a long service time. Packing includes 1x extraction blade, gray invisible thick gasket as installed, 2x rubber gasket, 3x shock pad, 1x motor top base gear, 1x black rubber gear. Grate functions great for smoothies and frozen drinks. The crossblade replacement part is perfect for chopping, grating and blending. Whips up your favorite foods and smoothies in seconds. Top reviews from the United States. It works perfectly. I ordered the replacement blade for my NutriBullet before throwing it away because I didn't think a replacement would work like the original. I did not have to assemble anything. Everything came in one piece accompanied by extra parts which are shown in the video. All parts are exactly the same that originally came with the NutriBullet from the factory. In the first smoothie I made, liquid spilled. Probably I did not close the lid well, but in the second smoothie no liquid was spilled. Make sure to close well before starting to blend so there will be no spilled liquids. I recommend it, it works.